Good day, sir. This is five things I've learned. First is sender. Sender is a communication. A sender is the person or system that transmit a message. Next is feedback. Feedback is a response or reaction given by the receiver to the sender after receiver a message. Um, it helps the sender know whether the message was understood um, correctly and allow for improvements in communication. Uh, Next is channel. Channel communication is the medium or pathway through message with the message is transmitted from the sender to the receiver. Uh, it's determine how the information is delivered. Communication is the process of exchanging information, ideas, through or feeling between people or system. It can be done through um, various methods. Next is body language. Body language is a form of nonverbal communication where people use physical movement, physical expression, or posture and gesture to express emotion, eh, intention. It's often conveys more meaning that word and can complete or even contracted with someone is a saying. Next is verbal communication. Example is speaking, conversation with phone. Next is nonverbal. Nonverbal communication. Example is body language, facial expression. Written communication. Written communication. Example: email, text message, letter. So unless there visual communication like charts, diagram, symbol. Thank you, sir.